So in today's video, we'll be looking at the future of work, specifically looking at 7 jobs which I feel AI will completely take over before 2040. Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and my name is Dozie Etelbert, and just like my name sounds, that is also the name of the channel. So what is the future of job? Are you concerned if AI will take over your job in the shortest possible time with the so many advancements and developments we are seeing in the AI technology? So watch this video to the end. Number 1 in my list is telemarketers. Now, AI-powered voice assistants can help repetitive tasks, thereby delivering more effectively and efficiently than a human input. 2. Data entry officers. The AI algorithm can perfectly extract data from documents or spreadsheets, thereby eliminating the need for a human data or manual data entry. Number 3 is accountants. AI can handle tax preparation, reconciliation, and data entry tasks when it comes to accounting. Number 4 is proofreaders. Now, proofreading AI tools are getting more advanced by the day, that in the shortest possible time, it is going to eliminate hiring a human proofreader to go through any proofreading task or job. Assembly line workers. Now, in the manufacturing industry, it is no longer a breaking news or a thing of surprise that AI and automated machines are used in assembly line to prevent repetitive tasks. Market research analyst. Now, AI will be fully capable of analyzing a large data spread, thereby predicting the future trends of the market. And lastly, we are looking at software developers. Well, AI might not completely take the place of software developers, but AI will take over the process of repetitive coding tasks, thereby freeing up more time for the developer to do other critical stuff. While AI is going to eliminate some jobs entirely and take over those tasks, AI is also going to create future jobs. Alright, and if you want to be part of this trend and know the future with AI, one of the things you need to do is to subscribe to this channel, as I give you the latest update on AI and AI tools. See you in my next video.